Happy February, everyone! Today's victory roll hairstyle is inspired by Valentine's Day. Begin with a middle part separating the front of the hair from the back. I'm using my roll and go hair tool, wrapping the hair around the edge of the tool, rolling it up towards the scalp, trying to keep the hair as flat and smooth as possible, and tucking in the ends when I remove the roller. Now I'm just going to hold it in place with a duckbill clip to get an idea of how big I want the rolls to be, and now we can work on the other side. To create these hair sections, I like to use my rat tail comb, starting at the back of your hair parting, pulling it down to the ear. That way you have enough hair to create a nice victory roll. And we're going to repeat the same process on this side. Ideally, you will want your hair to have some pliability and some curl. I set my hair in pin curls the night before, but you can use rollers or a curling iron. I like to use the side of my comb to smooth out those edges and position the rolls in place. I find that dirty hair works best for making victory rolls that stay put. I don't recommend trying to make them on your day one hair, unless you don't mind using a bit more product. Now that we have our rolls in place and a general idea of where we want them, I'm going to redo this first one. Sometimes it takes me a couple of tries before I am satisfied with the results of my victory roll, and it's never a bad idea to add a little bit more hairspray. What I like about the Roll and Go hair tool is it has textured edges, so the hair stays put while I'm rolling it up, and I'm able to grab the victory roll from inside. I also like to apply layers of hairspray while I use it, to keep everything neat and tidy while rolling the hair to the scalp. I'm trying to push the victory roll towards the hairline. That way we see the hair shaped more like a heart. And I'm grabbing a couple of bobby pins and I'm going to start pinning the hair from inside the roll and also securing the roll in the back. This part can be tricky, so don't be surprised if it takes you a few attempts. I try to conceal the bobby pins as much as possible, but sometimes it's difficult when you're doing it on yourself. And I'm securing it all in place with a bit more hairspray and a few more bobby pins. Another trick you can try for reducing frizz for your victory rolls is adding a little bit of pomade to your comb. Since I'm using a medium hold hairspray, I like to apply it in layers. If you do have a firmer hairspray, now would be the time to use it. I hope you enjoyed this quick little victory roll hair tutorial, and maybe you can give it a try just in time for Valentine's Day.